Hey guys, as you know, winter is coming. You can see from the beautiful trees, get that lamp post out of the way, how beautiful the trees are right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start putting this pool cover on. And I'm gonna show y'all how I get my pool ready for winter time. It starts with these little screws that are in the ground. Basically, they're anchor points for my pool. I go around and get them all up out of the ground. You know, they just unscrew like this. And they're all around the edge of the pool, everywhere. They're screwed down flush so you don't stump your toe on them during the summertime. Alright, now that's the last one. That's all of them. Alright, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to spread this big boy all the way across that pool. And we'll start hooking these little eyelets up. I'm going to call them little eyelets from now on. We'll hook the little eyelets up. And that'll help hold the pool cover on there as we stretch. That corner over there, and now I'm going to hook this corner on this side right here, and then we will begin stretching this out. Don't fall in the water. By the time we get this whole thing stretched out, it'll be tight as all get out. That's all I'll say, but it'll be tight. So let's go ahead and get it all the way stretched out. I'll show you a good close-up on how this works. But this pole has a little groove right here, and it's stiff on this side, and you just kind of go up and you kind of probably should use your foot. You kind of wiggle it off, and it hangs up right there, and it pulls it tight, as you can see over here. It pulled it tight. We're going to continue to do that all the way down through here. Some rubber pieces may have been harmed during the filming of this video. Well, now that I somewhat got my breath back, that's how you put on a pool cover. And that's how you get your pool ready for winter. Now I'm going to show you the process of how I get my pump and my sand filter and all of that stuff ready for the winter. Come with me and check that out. All right, now here we have my pump, sand filter, and chlorinator, and all of that, all is right here. The first thing you want to do before you do anything else, if you have a timer, a pool timer, you want to open it up and you want to cut it off. You're not going to be using it for a while. Close that up. Make sure your chlorinator is, or your chlorine system is closed up and sealed up good. Check all of that. All of that's good. Now here's my three-way valve right here. Now on my three-way valve, I want to open it up where it's open going to this pipe and open going to this pipe. You don't want any water trapped anywhere in here, so you want to open it up this way, and this way to keep water from being trapped inside. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to open up the pump filter right here. We're going to go ahead, we're going to knock the dirt out of it, or trash out of it a little bit. And you can hear that water sloshing around in there since we opened this up. Put that down in there like it goes. Now on this side of the pump, there are two drains. There is a basket drain that is right below the basket. And see how that water's coming out of there? And then here is the pump drain, which is right here. And see how that water's coming out of there? You want to take these and you want to put them right in there. Guaranteed they won't go anywhere if you put them in here. The next thing we want to do is down here at the bottom of your sand filter, there is a drain. I'm going to try to get down here and show it to you. This right here. You want to unscrew this and let that water out. Take this cap, do the same thing. Put it right there. And then you put your lid on it. Now look, when you put this lid on, don't tighten this thing up and just jam it tight. Leave it loose. It ain't going nowhere. You don't need it pressurized. Leave it loose. Just make sure the wind ain't gonna blow it off. And up here at the top, you'll have it where it says drain right here. Put that on drain. And let all that water, all the water go out. Make sure all your valves are open, so every bit of water that you got in here will come out. This valve here has got to be open too. And that lets all the water come out. And that way you won't have any water in there to expand and freeze and bust. All right, guys, I want to thank you for watching these pool shut-off tips for winterizing your pool and getting it ready. You don't have to put any kind of chemicals in your pool or anything else if you do it like this. If you turn your pool system off, this is if you turn your pool system off, this is the way to do it. Turn it off, unplug all the holes, let everything drain out of the system completely, because air does not expand when it freezes, water does, and you won't have any busted pipes or anything like that. And that's how you put the cover on. It'll keep leaves out of it. And this spring, when we take that cover off this spring, the water will be a little dirty, but it won't be nothing compared to if you have leaves in it. So make sure you get all the leaves out of it first before you put your cover on. And try not to do what I did today, a windy day, and try to put this pool cover on, because it's a pain in the butt when it's windy. Thank y'all for watching. Have a great day.